A very joyful morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Thursday and we are going to learn EVS subject. Are you ready? Yes, today one new topic Miss is going to start that is very interesting. Yes, that is We the People of India. People of India living in different parts wear different types of clothes. So we are going to learn on this topic today. Yes. So here some pictures are given in your book, beta. Okay. So at the very first, this is the which state is belong. These people is belong from Punjab. They wear women wear salwar and men's also wear yes. Women wear salwar and men wear what? Punjabi suit. It is called Punjabi suit. Yes. Then people of Kashmir, women wear salwar kameez. Women will wear salwar kameez and men wear kurta and salwar. Okay. Men wear kurta and salwar. Okay. Now, in the state of Tamil Nadu, women wear sari and men wear dhoti and shirt. Okay. Then, in the state of Rajasthan, yes, Rajasthani people, women wear gagra choli, yes, gagra choli and men's wear in the people of Rajasthan, women wear gagra choli and men wear dhoti and kurta. Okay. In Assam, men wears dhoti kurta and women wears mekhla chadar sari. Okay. This type of sari is called mekhla chadar sari. Okay. West Bengal, women wear sari and men wear dhoti and kurta. Okay. Kerala people, men wear dhoti and shirt and women wear lungi and blouse. Okay. Nagaland people wear skirt nikra. Okay. This type of costume is called skirt nikra. Okay, dear kids. People live in Maharashtra. Women used to wear sari and men used to wear kurta pajama. Okay. In Arunachal Pradesh, women wear salwar and men wear kurta pajama along with waistcoat. Okay. Dear kids, take out page number 9595. Okay. Now, look at the pictures and write the name of the state of which they belong. Yes, look at the pictures and write the name of the state to which they belong. Yes, now tell me, look at this picture, beta, and tell me which state they belong from. Yes, they belong from Kashmir. So we will write here Kashmir. R. Kashmir. Okay. Now tell me which state they belong from. They belong from Tamil Nadu. So we will write here spelling of Tamil Nadu here. T-A-M-I-L-N-A-D-U. Tamil Nadu. Now, which state these people belong from? They belong from Assam. So, we will write here the spelling of Assam. A S S A M. Assam. Okay? A-S-S-A-M. Assam. Now look at this picture and tell me which state they belong from. Yes, you are right. Nagaland. N. So we will write the spelling of Nagaland here. N A G A L A N D. Naga land. Okay. Now, which state they belong from? Yes, again you are right. Kerala. K E R A L A. Kerala. Okay, dear kids. Now tell me which state they belong from. Yes, they are from Maharashtra. So we will write the spelling of Maharashtra here. M-A-H-A-R-A. Maharashtra. Okay. Now we will read all this spelling. K-A-S-H-M-I-R. Kashmir. T-A-M-I-L-N-A-D-U. Tamil Nadu. A-S-S-A-M. Assam. N-A-G-A-L-A-N-D. Nagaland. K-E-R-A-L-A. Kerala. M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A. Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Now take out page number 9696, dear kids. What you have to do is beta color the given picture. You have to color this picture. Yes, this is your homework and send it to me. Okay, dear kids. Now I will write some of the spellings on the board, dear kids. Yes. So at the very first, K-A-S-H-M-I-R. Kashmir. Then T-A-M-I-L-N-A-D-U. Tamil Nadu. Okay. Then A-S-S-A-M. Assam. Nagaland. Nagaland. Okay. Kerala. Kerala. Mahara. Maharashtra. Yes, dear kids. So please write it in your 4-line EVS notebook beta. Okay. Then Punjab. 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 Then Rajasthan. 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 West Bengal. WEST. West. BENGAL. West Bengal. Okay, dear kids. Now we will go through all the spellings one more time. KASHMIR. Kashmir. TAMILNADU. Tamil Nadu. ASSAM. Assam. NAGALAND. Nagaland. KERALA. Kerala. Then MAHARASHTRA. Maharashtra. PUNJAB. Punjab. RAJASTHAN. Rajasthan. WESTBENGAL. West Bengal. Yes. So note down all this spelling in your 4-line EVS notebook. Yes, dear kids. Note down all these spellings in your EVS 4-line notebook, dear kids. Yes. I hope you had aware all these states and their bearings. Okay. So try to read beta. Read the spellings. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. See you.